To know the different types of heritage Majapahit, we can still see one the legacy Kalanganyar Place, in the surrounds, mountains, and near village cemetery Kalanganyar. Heritage is one of the relics of the Majapahit despite its simple and uninteresting, but it saved a lot of sense that this story. Existing heritage Borobudur Temple is very well preserved, but not all heritage and culture in Indonesia as in Borobudur Temple or other. Now, I am the mountains adjacent to Preseli Kalanganyar Tawangalun, Heritage Temple of Majapahit era. Please refer the report in the following carefully. One of the historical relics of the Majapahit era, which is the historical evidence that we need to take care and preserve just together. Actually, this is heritage we need to guard and preserve manually of government to join keep firm being claimed by other countries. See here, roads that have been broken and a lot of loss because it was never in the case. And it's partially brick is not original from Majapahit era.
I think this need to be heritage should be repaired and maintained because it's broken from the original part. We can see many stones are missing. To fix it, we also have to come to participate to maintain and preserve heritage site this historical.
Been apparent that the informal sites many of the stone missing and damaged because of careless human activities and acts with his behavior alone. I hope the government see and release this and will improve and make this heritage place a better place and tourist attraction like Borobudur or other temples.